This is the second video in our Open Data series, using roll-up and group by functions. It's recommended that you watch our first video for a brief introduction to Open Data. Once again, we're going to use the Expenditures by Candidates and Political Committees dataset. Replicating the filter we did in the first video, we're then going to select the Sort and Roll-Up option. We're going to select Roll-Ups and Drill Downs. Let's say we want to see the name of the committees and the amounts they spent. So we'll say Group by Filer Name, add a grouping column, and select Amount from the drop-down. Then click Apply. This will give you just the names of the committees and the amount of each given expenditure they have filed for election year 2020. This is still quite a few entries. Let's say you want to know exactly how much a committee has spent in total. What we can do is go to Roll-Ups and select Amount. You'll see the second box under Roll-Up is labeled Function. That's how you tell the system what exactly you want it to do with this information. It defaults to average, but in this case, we want to have it tell us what the total expenditure amounts are by committees. We select Sum from that drop-down. We're then going to click Apply. This takes the individual entries for the various committees that are currently divided into individual expenditures and adds them all up so that there's only one entry per committee. As you can see, this is the total expenditure amount for each committee that spent money on the 2020 election. This is only a brief introduction. Open Data is a deep and robust system that can yield extremely narrow results. With practice, it can answer almost any question you may have.